flex to you mean a failure? In other words, when you get frame flex, is your RV pretty much totaled at that point, or can it be fixed in certain situations?
So in most cases, it can be fixed. That's the good news. The only type that I've seen that have not been able to be fixed, and again, this is real rare, is when that front frame detaches from the actual body of the upper deck. Then it becomes, obviously an accident or a catastrophic damage. So they are, for the most part, completely fixable. It's just identifying them and catching them before it gets to that point.
How often in your experience, Dustin, has that happened? Do people typically see it before it becomes catastrophic? I mean, is it that noticeable, I guess, is another way to put that. Would you know it? Would you feel it, for instance, if you're driving that truck or if you're a passenger in that truck? Is that something you might notice?
It depends on the level, I think, of the owners. So, if you've previously towed a fifth wheel, if this is your second or third purchase, I have a video clip somewhere that I had at one time a consumer had sent to me that basically said, hey, it feels funny when I'm towing it. Well, in the back when they were recording it, the whole box was jostling around and actually hitting on the pin box itself. So, you can feel the difference. In some scenarios, I've had owners have like a leaf spring break, so let's say that pin box was broken or breaking loose. It's now creating more of a bouncing rhythm on the frames, that's what's ultimately causing it to flex. Well, I've had some that have had a front leaf spring break and not know why that one leaf spring broke. It's because the weight of the whole coach is now shifting forward in that direction.